In this total time video, we will clearly demonstrate actual time required by two people to assemble and disassemble a 25-panel SICO Cam-Lam dance floor. It is important to tell the whole story in order to determine true cost of time and labor. Here are some key points to consider. Positive mechanical locks provide the user peace of mind, knowing that their SICO dance floor is securely locked in place. The unique SICO self-aligning panel design allows for quick and easy assembly, and you are guaranteed to get a perfectly square floor every time. No specific panel sequence is required for assembly or disassembly, making for a hassle-free experience. SICO dance floors are low profile. The panels are only 3/4 of an inch thick, and the trim has a gradual 11-degree slope, allowing for easy access or exit. SICO Cam-Lam panels weigh only 44 pounds, making them lightweight and easy to handle. And now for the demonstration. Disassemble. Total time for dance floor assembly with two people is 7 minutes 45 seconds. Total time for dance floor disassembly with two people is 6 minutes 4 seconds. Contact SICO at www.sicoinc.com or call 1-800-328-6138. SICO, transforming spaces since 1951.